So this is very, very thin, but it's still printed pretty well. See that?
Beautiful.
And the amazing thing is, when you do these prints, they talk back to you, and what happens is you see things, no matter how many times you make the print, you don't think, it just surprises you.
Going thin was the right call.
This has blue face here on that buildings, on those buildings. You see, look at these nice colors coming through there? Down below there?
Yeah.
Now, what's I'm gonna do, there's something on the print. I'm gonna get a little, well, sometimes you get these little thingies on there, so I always have my tool here to take it off. But this is not bad. See right here? See these little guys?
Yeah.
Just don't want them on uninvited guests.
Tower.
Right there.
Oh, that's a big one. But see that, the thin ink?
Yeah, it's
It
nice
works.
with the pink
With
too.
the blue coming through.
Yeah.
Right on that diagonal.
Oh, geez, I gotta get you to hear a word for me. Oh, I take the flex off the prints.
Is that
Is this any more? Yes, that is. There's two of them here, actually. See, my ink slab has been sitting a while, so usually some things can start to get on it. And the thing is, once you're getting good prints, it's not a good idea to stop. Because all of a sudden, some things are not working like they should. You're going, what? How come I can't get the print anymore? What? But this is nice when the blue comes through here and down through here. So you can get.
Yeah, so it wasn't darker than the blue. It was just a different color than the blue.
The what?
The color you printed. It seems like it was almost lighter than what you printed it on.
Oh, it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's coming, that's see like up there.
Yeah.
That's why the advantage to printing from light to dark. See, the thing about, I went too dark too soon, and so I had to mix just the right color, change some color, because up that print, what happens is air has to flow through the print and the colors. And they're light enough so that, things can happen. But once you get thick or heavy colors down, everything gets stiff and talks back to you, and it's kind of nasty, and you're losing the atmosphere, you're losing the time of day and the light. So if you can keep the print light, full of light, and then and so you have more to work with come off of. This is a good print. It's interesting to have the blue house as opposed to, you see the greenhouse, the green? Actually, in some ways, the blue house is, in some ways,